Cobalt 60 teletherapy machine. The treatment machines incorporating gamma ray sources for use in external beam radiotherapy are called isotopic teletherapy machines. For use in external beam radiotherapy, gamma rays are obtained from specially designed and built sources that contain a suitable artificially produced radioactive material. The parent source material undergoes a beta decay, resulting in excited daughter nuclei that attain ground state through emission of gamma rays, gamma decay. The most important characteristics of radioisotopes in external beam radiotherapy are: number one, it should be gamma ray, high gamma ray energy, high specific activity, relatively long half life, large specific air karma rate constant, must be available in large quantities. For practical purposes, cobalt 60 and cesium 137 are the only isotopes which satisfy these requirements to a sufficient extent. But now, only cobalt 60 source is used for cancer treatment purpose. Now we will know about the characteristics of these two sources, cobalt 60 and cesium 137. Half life: cobalt 60 5.3 years and cesium 30 years. Specific activity: curie per gram 1100, and but cesium 80 only. Photon energy MeV 1.17 and 1.33. Average energy 1.25. But of cesium 137 is 0.662. Specific gamma ray constant of cobalt 60 is 1.31, but cesium 137 is 0.33. Specific air carbon rate constant 309, which is for cobalt 60 and only 78 for cesium 137. Means of production: 59 cobalt is a target and collide by neutron in a reactor, and cesium 137 fission by product. The telecesium unit with applicators. For telecesium units, the source to scan distance SSD is 20 to 40 centimeter. They have not been very popular because of relatively low gamma ray constant and low specific activity. Now, the main components of a teletherapy machine are a radioactive source, a source housing, including beam collimator and source movement mechanism, a gantry and stand in isocentric machines, or a housing support assembly in a stand-alone machines, a patient support assembly, and a machine console. It is the cobalt 60 machine with collimator, source head, gantry, main frame, patient support assembly, that's couch. Source. Natural cobalt is a hard, stable, bluish gray, easily breakable metal. Its atoms contain 27 protons and 32 neutrons and 27 electrons. Non-radioactive cobalt can be found mixed with various minerals in nature and has been used to impart a blue color to glass and ceramics for thousands of years. The well-known isotope of cobalt is unstable radioactive cobalt 60. This isotope was discovered by Glenn Seaborg and John Livingood at California Berkeley University in 1930. The cobalt 60 source is produced by irradiating ordinary stable 59 cobalt with neutrons in a nuclear reactor. The nuclear reaction is represented as 27 cobalt 59 plus 0n1 to 27 cobalt 60, that is excited and radioactive material, and is decayed by beta decay 28 nickel 60, and we get gamma ray. The resultant isotope cobalt 60 is a radioactive one, and it decays to 2860 nickel by means of beta emission. The maximum energy of beta is 0.32 MeV. Okay, the decay half-life is 5.26 years and the average photon energy is 1.25 MeV. This is the decay of cobalt 60. We get 2 photon of energy 1.3325 and 1.1732. Cobalt 60 double welded seal is said to prevent any leakage of the radioactive material. Source housing.